So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add shapes to a design here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, just go to the left hand side of your screen and make sure that the Elements tab is selected. Now what you can also do is go to Common right here and view basic shapes, or you guys can scroll down to where it says shapes right here and then press on see all. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and search up a variety of shapes that you want. So if you wanted to add a rectangle, if you wanted to add a circle, you can do that. If you wanted to add a triangle, you can go ahead and do that. You can scroll down and find some other shapes as well. So if you want maybe like a heart shape, whatever the case may be, a bunch of different options right here. You can of course change the color to whatever you're looking at as well. You guys can get creative in regards to adding shapes to your design. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how you guys can add different shapes to your design here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.